Okay, this is a simple way to fix the piece that broke off your headboard. So what you want to do is you want to have some 220 sandpaper, some glue, a clamp or tape, and then your piece that fell off. So you want to take some glue and you want to put a decent amount on where the piece fell off. And then you want to take your piece and put it back. Try to match it up the best that you can. And you want glue coming out of both, and it will come out even more when you clamp it. Clamp, you can take your clamp and do it to where the glue will come out and it's level with the piece. Or if you don't have a clamp and tape is more accessible to you, you can take a piece of tape and you can take and tape around the piece to secure it. Press down on it, make sure that glue's coming out the both sides, and then wait 30 minutes for it to dry, and then you can sand.